Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Your Transit's model year and existing infotainment hardware determine whether CarPlay is addable. Once done, gather the CarPlay module or compatible head unit, the correct wiring harness, and basic tools. This saves time and prevents module returns. Make sure you back up vehicle settings and charge your iPhone above 50%. You need a stable power source and the correct connectors. Missing one small adapter can halt the whole install, so confirm part numbers now. You remove dash trim and the stock head unit after disconnecting the vehicle battery to avoid shorts. Then route and attach the wiring harness. Connect power, ground, CAN bus lines, antenna adapter, and the USB data lines that carry CarPlay traffic. Once connected, mount the CarPlay module in a ventilated location and secure connectors with locking clips or tape. Before reassembling the dash, reconnect the battery and power the system to verify the unit boots and recognizes the module. This prevents repeated disassembly. You finish by connecting your iPhone with a quality Lightning cable and enabling CarPlay in iPhone settings and the Ford infotainment menu. This establishes the handshake. Make sure module firmware is current, then reassemble the dash and test audio, microphone, and steering wheel controls so everything functions together. If CarPlay fails to appear, check fuses, confirm CAN and USB data continuity, and retry firmware or perform a factory reset. Often a loose CAN pin or bad data line block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.